What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Sneak Peek with Josh, and we're back again with another video and another update for you guys, and also a quick preview. But I'm gonna go make a few errands. I'm gonna go take care of a few things. Link up with one of my good guys out to G5. You can catch his link in the bio as well for his music. Also, a few upcoming things that he has on the way as well. With that being said, I'll get back to you guys and I'll let you guys see what we have. But just know, this is a classic. Subscribe now, tune in, and be on the lookout.
Throwbacks 2015,
2015.
Better with time, you know the age. Playing in the trap, make it look so fun. All these blue hunters make it look like one.
So we're back in the crib and oh man, I can't even believe it. This is by far underrated, and I'm just gonna say it is an IE, but from 2015. Those of you guys that don't know what an IE is, that's an international exclusive that a sneaker may produce. But being that we're doing this one, this is a Jordan IE, and I'll definitely show you how calm and cool this sneaker is and how crazy it is that you guys forgot about this sneaker. So I just want to get straight to it. Look at the age on this box. It's very clean. This is actually done. It surprised me. You would have thought that's how the box was. But as you guys can see, we do have here the Jordan Low 11 Cobalt IE. For those of you guys that know, you guys are thinking, oh, this is just the Jordan 11. Oh, it's just a Low 11. But being that it's an IE, this is the one that people still sleep on. And here, as you see, we have the Jordan 11 Low IE from 2015 in a gray cobalt with the ice blue bottom and also the nice gray elephant skin. You can actually see this on the cement 3, bread 3s. Any 3s that you do own, they are on the toe area. But this one here, this silhouette is just too clean. This is definitely elephant here. Then we have the nice ice. It suits well no matter what. But as you see, it is definitely a good pickup from 2015. The reason why I would say this sneaker is underrated because you go anywhere and ask somebody if they have Jordan 11s or whatever, the first thing that they will bring to you is a Bread, a Concord, or Space Jam. You don't really hear people coming across asking for these, knowing how this is actually a rare shoe. Not too rare. It's just really underrated in some areas because of the hype and because everybody else is thinking, oh, what's in style? I'm trying to catch up and keep up. But right here, as you see once again, this is definitely clean. And what makes it even nicer is that being that it's aged from 2015, actually the same, so it suits well and it's not bad. So we can definitely get a light cleanup on there or a lace change, but it was something that's icy and definitely a great pickup. So once again, shout out to my boy. And also tune into that music. He definitely has some heat on the way. But with that being said, I'm gonna keep it nice and simple. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share. And you know, we're gonna keep howling, we're gonna keep staying in tune, and we're definitely gonna keep chopping it up and staying updated. Peace. Oh yeah, and also I did say I was gonna update you guys. So real quickly, be on the lookout for this upcoming heat that me and my boys have been very, very soon. Shout out to my boy Steph Kicks, all the way in Toronto. Shout out to my boy Twin_Gemini, also all the way in the A. Shout out to my boy Debo. As you can see, we all are trying to get our channels up, so stay tuned and check out all this clean heat and different type of styles that we all have. Now, I definitely see y'all later. Peace. Don't know who you know, but they not your protection. You know, like I know, then you best get a step. Pick a direction. Playing in the trap, make it look so fun. All these blue hunters make it look like one. Like Mary jeans in the racks on pawn. Had to throw the Glock and I need more guns. Watch how you step when you step to a step. Don't know who you know, but they not your protection. You know, like I know, then you best get a step. Pick a direction. Oh boy, you went dumb on this one.